Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting refurbished product to discuss. The Arlo Ultra 2 XL3 CAM kit with XL battery and housing, 3 security mounts, and smart hub. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's talk about what this Arlo Ultra 2 XL3 CAM kit has to offer. It includes 3 cameras with XL batteries and housing. You also get 3 security mounts and a smart hub. This product is certified refurbished, ensuring it meets Amazon renewed standards. The original price for this kit is $399.99, but it's currently available at a deal price of $359.99, saving you $40. Now, let's delve into the key features that make the Arlo Ultra 2 XL3 CAM kit stand out. These cameras are 100% wire-free, providing you with the freedom to install them anywhere. The XL batteries offer up to 1 year of battery life on a single charge, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Enjoy color night vision, motion detection, and instant alerts to keep your home secure. The Smart Hub enhances your Arlo experience with noise-canceling two-way audio. You also get access to the Arlo Secure Trial, including cloud recording for added peace of mind. Let's take a closer look at the technical details. Video capture resolution is 720p, ensuring clear footage. The kit is designed with wireless connectivity technology for ease of use. The cameras are suitable for surveillance and come with wall mounting options. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Ever wondered what Amazon Renewed is all about? Here's what you need to know. Amazon Renewed is a trusted destination for pre-owned, refurbished products. These products are professionally inspected, tested, cleaned, and refurbished to work and look like new. Purchasing a Renewed product extends the product's lifetime and reduces electronic waste. Your purchase is eligible for Amazon Renewed coverage along with Amazon's return policy and A to Z guarantee. Wondering what you'll receive with your Amazon Renewed purchase? You'll get accessories equivalent to those that came with the new product. While they may not be original, they will be compatible and fully functional. Your Renewed product will be packaged in either the original packaging or a new and clean cardboard box. In conclusion, the Arlo Ultra 2 XL3 CAM kit offers an excellent opportunity to enhance your home security. With its certified refurbished status, you can enjoy premium features at a discounted price. Don't miss out on this deal, and make sure to check it out on Amazon. That wraps up our review of the Arlo Ultra 2 XL3 CAM kit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.